Hi, Quasbo Tech here. Today we're going to show you how to use Base 2 to sort index cards. You need some index cards here. And let's see, I'll throw that one away. Take these and let's see what we got here. I'm going to punch 4 holes in the top. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see. 1. Well, that didn't work. Let's try that again. I'm trying to space them evenly. 1, 2, 3. That's not very even. Let's go back here. Should we do that again? That's not very good. Throw that away. Let's try it again. Okay, guys watching? See, 1, 2. Yeah, it's just as bad. 3, 4. Okay, now that you have that, you have to use this as a template for all the others. So you take your Sharpie and you take your template right here, and then you just have to do, I don't have the patience, line these up very, very well, and just go like that. Okay, you're going to have to do that 8 times. Use that template, line it up nicely, very nicely. Go from there. Just keep going. Make sure that's lined up right. There you go. We have another one. And on and on. Okay, once you set up your templates, whoops. Let's do that again. Once you set up your templates with this, then you have to punch these cards. Maybe if you line them up well and the cards are thin enough, you can, of course, maybe do more than one at a time. See what we can do here. It's not lined up. See what we can do. 1, 2. Okay, we got a couple more. I think I can do easily 2 at a time. See if I can line these up very well. Okay. Okay, so on until you punch all 8 cards. Then you need to number them. Okay, let's number them. Here we go. 0, 1. That doesn't look like a 1. I don't know what happened there. It looks like I missed my whole template. 2, 3, 4. You got the idea, right? Remember I said 8 cards, but remember 8 cards goes from 0 to 7. So if you know your base 2, we're going to put base 2 on these cards. Let's do it. I'm going to start with card 0. I'm not going to cut anything into that one. Okay, this is 1, so I'm going to cut a slot in the first slot here. Let's see, like that, and that, maybe a little wider. So it'll be a 1. If you know your base 2, I'm going to call this a 2. This is weird because I totally missed the template, but when I put the cards together, still seem to, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna make this, that's the 1. Let's get a new card. Here, I have a 1, I made an extra one. So 2 would be right there. Trying to teach 2. 3, as you know, would be the 2's column and the 1's column. And on and on. All right, we're finally at 7. That would be the 4 column and the 2 column and the 1 column. You make an important point. If I had the patience, I could do 16 cards from 0 to 15. But for this demonstration, we'll just do 8 cards. Now I'm going to mix them all up. Okay, now comes the magic. Let us find a paper clip, which I had here. Hopefully you don't have an industrial stainless steel paper clip that's hard to unwind. Here we go. Here we have our cards. They're all out of order. They're all mixed up. I'll put a paper clip through there and shake it all about and see what cards come. I'm going to bring them up front. Then I'm going to line up all my cards again. I'm going to go to the 2 slot. I'm going to line them all up. Make sure all the cards that are supposed to shake out. And I'm going to go to my next spot. Shake it all about, shake it. Let's see. Line up my cards again for the very last one. See what happens. Oh, they all come forward because I didn't go past 7. Okay, are you ready? Let's see. I have a 0. What comes after 0? There's a 1. The cards look like they're in order. 2, I never marked that 2 card. 3, that's a 3 card. There's a 4, 5. Wow, I can't even get these apart. 6, 7, and like I say, you can do up to 15, 0 to 15. And that's all I have to show for you today. How to sort cards with base 2. Thank you very much.